The OnePlus 15 isn't official yet, but it has already made its very first public appearance. Yes, real-life photos of the device were spotted during the 2025 Peace Elite Professional League Summer Finals, where it even joined a group photo with past Peace Elite champions. And the leaks reveal a lot. Let's start with the design. The OnePlus 15 carries a squarish camera module in the upper left corner, quite similar to what we saw on the OnePlus 13T. Inside the module, you'll find 3 powerful cameras, 2 aligned in a pill-shaped layout, while the third lens and LED flash sit separately to the side. Now here's the big upgrade. OnePlus is going all out with a trio of 50-megapixel cameras, including a periscope telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. On top of that, they're debuting their brand new DetailMax Engine, a custom processing tool designed to deliver sharper, clearer shots across the board. Color options were previously tipped to be absolute black, dune, and mist purple. But in the new leaks, we're seeing the device in a stunning white shade for the first time. Now let's talk performance, and this is where things get exciting. The OnePlus 15 will be among the very first smartphones powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset. And it's already been tested on Geekbench. The results? An impressive 3,709 single-core score, and a massive 11,000 multi-core score, backed with 16 GB of RAM. In short, this thing is going to be a performance beast. Battery life also gets a major upgrade. According to regulatory filings, the OnePlus 15 will pack a gigantic 7,000 mAh cell, with support for 120-watt superfast charging. That means hours of use from just a few minutes of charging. As for the display, expect a 6.78-inch flat LTPO OLED screen, delivering 1.5K resolution and an incredibly smooth 165Hz refresh rate. Perfect for gamers, streamers, and anyone who loves buttery visuals. Now here's the catch: OnePlus hasn't revealed the launch date just yet. But with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite event happening today, and Xiaomi already confirming that its Xiaomi 17 series with the same chip is launching on September 25th, we could see OnePlus make its big move very soon. So, what do you think? Is the OnePlus 15 shaping up to be the ultimate flagship killer of 2025? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech leaks and launches.